All right, we are here factorizing again. One of the things that can be a little bit frustrating to students when we're talking about factorizing is the number of different ways the equation or the expression can look and yet still be factorized. The previous two videos each had a unique form, and this one is also unique. Here we have something that in the background it's really 3x squared plus 12x plus 0 equals 0. So the previous one we didn't have a b term, this one we don't have a c term. Each one requires a unique method of factorizing. So for this one, what are we going to do? Well, here this is actually a similar factorizing as we would do if we had just a linear expression. So for example, if we have 3x plus 12, we're going to look at this and say both terms have a 3, so we will bring the 3 out front, and then inside the brackets here we're going to put whatever we need to make so that when we do that times that it gets 3x, and that times that, what happened there I'm not sure. So this second one needs to be 3 times this produces 12. So in here, what do we need? 3 times something to produce 3x, that's going to be 3x. This is going to be 3 times something else that needs to produce 12, that's going to be 4. So this method that I've just shown you here is not really specific to quadratics. It could be any expression like this where they have like terms, not like terms, when they have like factors, you can pull that out front. Well, that's what we're going to apply up here. We're going to notice that both of these terms have a 3 inside of them. Both of the terms have an x inside of them. So we can pull that out front, and we can put whatever's left in here. So this is made up of 3xx, and then this one is made up of 3 times 4 times x. So what have we actually taken out front? We've taken out a 3x and a 3x. So the leftovers here are this x, and the leftovers for this one are that 4. And again, I would encourage you to take the time to do 3x times x, 3x squared, 3x times 4, 12x. And again, if this question had originally said solve, which they usually do if you have an equals to 0, we could say either 3x is going to equal to 0 or x plus 4 is equal to 0. Solving these, dividing by 3 here, we're going to get x equals 0 as one of our answers. And over here, we're going to get x equals negative 4 as our other answer. And just like in any problem that you're solving, you need to plug these two back in and confirm that they produce 0 when you plug them in one at a time. Plug in 0 and 0, you should get 0 equals 0. Plug in negative 4 and negative 4, you should get 0 equals